più tra i farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girando, delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto ad un giro d'amor. Delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto ad un giro d'amor. Non più avrai questi bei panacchini, quel cappello leggero galante.
Okay.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Again.
We are on our way we actually have arrived at Fattoria Italia, which is an agriturismo farmhouse where they have a little farmhouse restaurant. It's very cute. They do everything very locally. They make their own cheese. In fact, this morning we're going to see how ricotta is made.
Yeah, interesting process, as you will see while we're showing you. Beautiful to eat. I wish we could let you taste it through the camera.
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely.
Yeah,
and to be fair, about how they do this ricotta, and they've been doing this traditionally for years, and they've just carried on what their grandparents have done years before them. As you can see, the kitchen is very humble. The walls are full of soot, but it's just a beautiful vibe, and we totally enjoyed it. Trying to understand how they actually made it wasn't easy, and they didn't make it easy for us to understand. I think they did that on purpose because it's obviously a little secret that they want to keep for themselves, which is fair enough. Massi, with his Roman, trying to understand Sicilian wasn't easy for him either, but we just waited, and at the end it was fantastic.
He's going to add to the beginning of the ricotta.
Here are 200 liters of sheep's milk, and as he pours it in, Tito's son is instantly stirring the milk. And from now onwards, the process is just stirring and making sure that the milk doesn't get caught and doesn't burn in the pot.
15 anni. Fantastico. Complimenti.
Poi ci sono un'altra dieta, quindi dopo da sempre, per piccolo che devo fare, una cosa, mamma i bidoni, secchi, cose,
E quindi continua a farlo. Signore, si sta riscaldando? Bello qua, vero?
Al nostro paese, che siamo a 2 passi da qui, per la vigilia del 25 accendiamo per tutto il paese, in tante zone, proprio si chiudono le strade e si fanno i falò. Praticamente le persone, gli uomini vanno, chi è che abbiamo le campagne o chi è che non ce li ha, va alla ricerca di legne grosse, anche tronchi, e cominciano a fare questa montagna a piramide.
Famiglia fa parte di Solarino, però sì, si
Perché venite a mangiare la ricotta?
ogni tanto la rivolta. Ogni tanto piace.
Sono tradizioni, diciamo.
Sì. Anche perché ancora qui è fatto con il fuoco vivo, non ci sono gas,
C'è fornelli.
Tutto naturale,
Tutto
diciamo.
Sì.
Perfetto.
Ancora da qualche parte si trova.
Grazie.
We couldn't believe the amount of people that had gathered in the small room in less than an hour. And we turned around and had a look. It was absolutely fantastic to see all these people coming. Here you can see the lady that is preparing the tickets that she gives to people. Depending on how many scoops you have, the amount obviously goes up and she gives you the ticket. The ricotta is finally cooked, and with a huge crane they managed to lift the pot up and move it across safely down onto the ground.
Please, sir, can I have some more?
We had 3 scoops of ricotta, which was more than enough for us. We had made later on some pasta, and with the fat, fresh, creamy ricotta was just absolutely fantastic having that on hot pasta. So 3 scoops for me and Massi was more than enough.
It's kind of got a piece of cheese, hasn't it? So everyone comes out. It's like having breakfast in the farm. So this is the farmhouse. This is the restaurant here. The restaurant.
Okay. So, I mean, we are supposed to eat this ricotta really hot. Look at that. Ooh, bit of fluff went in there. So I'm gonna try that for everybody. Fresher than this you can't. See how it is.
Give us
My
a
goodness,
taste.
no way. I've never tasted ricotta like this before. It's so creamy, so warm. God, Emas.
Wow.
Wow. Hang on, one more time. Mmm.
That is nice, isn't it?
I've never tasted that. That is amazing. And I'm not a keen ricotta lover, but this is wow. I'm gonna save it and we're gonna have that with our pasta tonight. What do you reckon?
Yes, a nice place of
And then I
nice
also
fresh ricotta.
bought a primo sale, which means it's been first time it's been salted, and that is goat's cheese, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, that is good too.
Welcome.
Morning.
Morning, ladies.
There. I think they're more afraid than anything else. Well, we got a beautiful sighting of Etna this morning.
Oh wow, look at that.
Let's get a nice close-up of that. Wow. Hello, good morning, Miss Etna.
Her Majesty.
Her Majesty Etna.
And if you can see, there's a sea right underneath.
Yeah,
What a
sea.
view. Come over here, no?
Okay, I'm gonna get closer for that. From the mountains to the sea.
Buongiorno. Posso avere un filone ben cotto per cortesia? Basta così, grazie. Walking into a bread shop or a bakery in Sicily, you always find something that is made with ricotta. This is one of my favorite dishes. It's tiny black lentil soup, and I just break in some spaghetti and add in some of our homemade olive oil. How long has this taken you to do this wall, Mass?
Really?
We've been really
I
busy.
haven't been at it every day, have I?
No, we've been really busy. It's getting there slowly.